Hello, good morning, everyone. How are you? Hope you're fine. So can you hear my voice clearly?
Yes, sir.
Great, yeah. Thank you, Daniel. Yasi, Ridwan, and also Brian. Uh, please remind your friend, yeah, I don't know. Probably they don't know that we need to have this session because the mid exam is already done, yeah, and the grade will be published soon. And for sure, we will go and continue, yeah, our sessions according to the plan. And we still remember that actually after the mid exam, yeah, we will have much more about group discussions, yeah, and also group tasks, yeah. So it consists of some parts of group tasks that you need to do, yeah, based on your own groups for sure, yeah. And as we all know that we have currently 4 groups, right? So hopefully everything will be done very well, yeah. And let me share my screen right now. Okay, so first of all, I would like to remind you about the rest of our sessions, yeah, until this course will be finished, yeah, in this December. So this is the LMS that I share right now. So can you see my screen? Is it
Yes,
the
sir.
Yes, sir.
is it the LMS or let me check?
Yeah.
Yeah, what is it? Okay, this is it actually. Uh, yeah. So is it moving right now? Because I'm opening to LMS right now, so I don't know whether I'm sharing the right screen for you. Is it?
Yes, sir. It's moving, sir.
Okay, great. So here it is. Yeah, we currently on the 8th, yeah, week, the 8 sessions, and then we will learn about the methodology, yeah, to implement IT governance and management according to COVID. And the reference that you will open is the COVID-19, yeah, implementation book. Yeah, that is the 4th book, actually, the latest book. And then I would like to remind you about the 9th and also the 10th sessions, which is about how to decide, yeah, or how to select the governance systems, yeah, based on the design factors, right? So as we have learned previously that although not really yeah, a bit conscious, yeah, previously I already explained in the class that actually we have 11, yeah, we have 11 design factors, but the main design factors is from 1 until 4, yeah, and then the rest is 5 until 10, yeah, that actually within the tools, yeah. And there is one more, yeah, which is actually there is in the theory, yeah, about the size of the organization, but yeah, it is not really exists, yeah, in the tools that we will use, yeah, for this design factors analysis. Why? Because actually Isaka is already released, yeah, the focus area about the SME, yeah. So it is like a COVID-19 light version, yeah, light version for the small and medium enterprise, yeah, organization, right? So you will have then, yeah, in next week, the 9th and the 10th sessions, you will have a group task, yeah. So please be ready about it. And in the first group task, yeah, this is called the big task or tugas, yeah, tugas besar. You will have to design or to analyze, yeah, the design factors from 1 until 4, yeah. And this will be according to the case study, yeah, that you will choose. And it is actually, I will share the link, yeah. So please, you must choose, yeah, different case studies, yeah, each group, yeah. Here it is. Let me check, yeah. Okay, so please Faras, yeah, coordinate with all of the classmates to make sure, yeah, all the groups will have different case studies. Okay, so share these case studies here, or we can do something like I think it's better if you are using tools, yeah, to make sure that all of the group will have the case studies, will have the different case studies. Okay, what is it? Yeah, Wheel of Fortune. Okay, I think it's better we will do it next time. Yeah. Now we go back to the name and the tenth here, and then yeah, you will have the second part of your big task. Yeah, to design the rest of the design factors. Yeah. So it will be the 5th until the 10th, yeah, according to the tools that we will learn next time. It is actually an Excel tools, yeah. So it is very easy actually, yeah, because the tools is already designed, yeah. It's very easy for you to actually, you don't need to customize it much, yeah, because all you need to do is just to configure, yeah, according to the right decision, yeah, the right analysis, yeah, according to the case, yeah, each case studies that you choose for your own group. Okay, all right, yeah. And then the 11th is to assess, yeah, to perform assessment, and you will have the tools as well, yeah. Actually, I think I already shared to you, yeah, but we will check on it later. Yeah, so this will be the third, yeah, this will be the third big task for you, which is to design the worksheet assessment. Yeah, to design the worksheet assessment. Yeah, because the one that I will share to you, or I already shared to you, is actually only the example. Yeah, so because it is only the example, your task is also to design the rest of the assessment tools, yeah, according to the COVID-19 PDF, right? Okay, and then we will arrive to the fourth, yeah, big task. It is to fill, yeah, the assessment worksheet, assessment tools that you have already created previously, yeah. So when you already prepare the Excels, yeah, put all the analysis, yeah, into the worksheet, yeah, and then you will arrive, yeah, to the result of the maturity level, yeah, or the maturity capability level of each uh, processes, yeah, that you have already selected according to the case, yeah. So please remember, yeah, do remember that you will have different case, That's why you will also have different governance systems. Yeah, you will have it. You will have it differently. Yeah, because you will customize for each of the case study. Okay. Right. Yeah, and then for the 12th, yeah, after you have assessed, yeah, the capability maturity level for your case study, yeah, according to the design factors, that you will have your own, yeah, prioritized governance management systems. And then, yeah, you will have the fifth big task, yeah, which is to perform gap analysis. Okay, gap analysis, and then you need to identify, yeah, the potential improvement according to the gap, right? So that's the task, yeah, the fifth big task for each of group, yeah, each of your group. And that's for the 12th, yeah. And for the 13th, you will arrive, yeah, at the last, I think here, yeah, this is the last big task. Let me check, yeah, is my memory correct? It is the last big task. Yes, you're right. So this will be the last big task, yeah, the sixth part, yeah, that you will need to design the recommendation, yeah, the recommendation according to the here previously, the identified, yeah, potential improvement according to the gaps, yeah, the gaps analysis here. For all the governance and management system that you have already prioritized according to the design vectors, yeah. And last, in the big task, for the six big tasks that you need to create your own recommendation, yeah, for each of the potential improvement, yeah. So the recommendation is actually you need to design something, okay. Remember, the keyword is to design, okay. Designing means that you need to use your analysis, yeah, you need to use the identify gaps, yeah, you need to use the identify potential improvement, yeah, which previously is only the words, yeah, only the wordings, like a recommendation that what they need to fulfill, yeah. And then here, actually, you need to design. I think you need to focus on the people and the process, yeah. So it is only the people and the process. Okay. Actually, there is one more component, yeah, which is the technology. Yeah. But I think it is only people and process, yeah, in our course. So according to the identify potential improvement, yeah, which is actually it is the wording of recommendation, and then you try to design, yeah, what kind of policy, let's say, yeah, what kind of policies, what kind of SOPs, yeah, what kind of organization structure, for example, yeah, or what kind of culture, yeah, that actually need to be implemented, yeah, in the case study organizations, yeah. So I think that's it, yeah. That's all the tasks, yeah, that need to do, yeah, according to the groups, okay. And last, for sure, you need to present, yeah. So you will have like a presentation score as well, yeah, beside the content, beside also the report that you need to submit, yeah, into the LMS, yeah. And then you need to present, yeah, according to the good presentation, for sure, yeah. Create a good presentation in PPT, yeah, and then present each group of you, yeah, and we will also select, yeah, select and decide, yeah, who will be the first until who will be the last. And as I remind, yeah, to you that you will have the presentation score. That's why you need to be prepared, right? You need to be prepared, yeah, create a good slides, yeah, and then present yourself, yeah, present your groups, yeah. Please, yeah, remember that all of your group members must speak, yeah, must give a speech according to the slides, yeah. So you will have each of you will have a enough adequacy score, yeah. Otherwise, if you only present by one spokespersons, yeah, then the one who spoke, yeah, will be will have the highest score for sure, yeah. That's why you need to distribute, yeah, the score by make sure that the presentation will be done by all the members of the group. Okay, right, yeah. After that, yeah, when I will review, yeah, the presentation, what is the recommendation, yeah, I will share to the class, to the group, yeah, and then you need to revise, yeah, accordingly. So you will have the finalized, yeah, finalized versions of your group report, yeah, of your big tasks, yeah. So I think that's it, yeah. So it will be on the 14th, yeah, and it will be our last, yeah, session, and we won't have any final exam, yeah, because this big task will be the one who replace, yeah, your final exam score, yeah. So you will not have any more, yeah, exam beside this big task, right? Yeah, so that's it, yeah, our plan from this after this mid exam until the final session, yeah, in the 14th weeks, yeah, the 14th week. I think it is on the December, yeah, on the December we will have the last session. So any question regarding this? I'm a bit sporty right now, yeah. So I mean, you actually I'm a runner, yeah. So I wear this tell you runners. Maybe some of you who like runners, running, yeah, and would like to join the tell you runners. All right. So let us have discussion then. So I think we have how many percent right now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah. So we have 13 right now. Anybody would like to ask something? Now it's clear. Clear as crystal. Crystal clear. All right then. Yeah. Please ask. Yeah. Don't mind to ask if you need more explanation about the rest of the sessions. Now I will share you the what is it? The slides. Yeah. So I already prepared the slides here. Here it is. Okay. Yes, Adam.
Sir, for the study case, is it different company for each group?
Yes.
Or okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes. So actually you have options. Yeah. First, you need to pick, yeah, the organization as your case studies. However, if you feel that you have difficulty, yeah, to access the real organization, then I also will provide you the options. Yeah, so it is like a case study provided by Isaka. Yeah, but yeah, as you know, case study is very specific actually. Yeah, I'm worried that it is not really enough. Yeah, data there compared to access the real organization that you can. Yeah, so please it is an options. Yeah, don't be bothered by these options. Yeah, please make the best of you. Yeah, for sure, if you have the access to the organization, the real organization, it will be better. Yeah, because the case is real, right? compared to the, it is like a case study that already being analyzed, yeah, by Isaka and previous year. Adam, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
good. No problem. Anything else? Anyone? Yes, did one?
Sir, so for the meeting 9 until 13, is it we still have meeting weekly, or we just focusing on the final, the big assignment?
Yes. So actually, we will still have the meeting, yeah, because for sure for each of the tasks, yeah, actually we need to discuss something there, yeah, because I need to explain, yeah, the tools, yeah, and then also you need to discuss within your groups, yeah. So probably we will have like a group session, break room, yeah, something like that, yeah. For sure, you will have much more time, yeah, to discuss within your own group, yeah. So it can be outside the class, yeah. So the class can be very fast, yeah. It depends on the situation, but I will be there each sessions, yeah, because I will guide you, yeah, through the rest sessions. If you have problems, yeah, if you have difficulties, then you can ask, yeah, in the session. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Very.
so it is
Thank
like
you.
the tutorial, yeah. It is like a guidance session, yeah, for you to use, yeah, to use everything that we will use in the group task, yeah, or the big task. Okay, anything else?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
No worries. Enough, yeah. So please raise your hand, yeah, if you still have something to ask. Nabil, how are you? Shukri, are you okay? Mual?
Yes, doctor. There is no question, doctor. Thank you.
Yes, good. So please do remind that you have your own group, right? You are the fourth group. So you also have Maria, right? In the group. I can't see Maria right now. She's not here. So please make the base, yeah, for your group. Working together. Hopefully it will be done nicely, yeah. I mean, because sometimes group work is not really working, yeah, because of this online or the pandemic sessions, yeah. Okay, right, yeah. So we will discuss about the methods, yeah, to implement the governance and management of enterprise IT, yeah. So this is the this is the theory here. Let me check my. Okay, yeah. So this is it. All right. So this is the outline actually. Yeah. First of all, this is the first steps, yeah, toward the implementation of governance enterprise IT. First, yeah, by creating the appropriate environment. Yeah. What is the meaning by this? So you need to set up the context actually. Yeah. You know context. It's actually depend on the organization for sure. Yeah, you need to understand your own organization, where what is the background, yeah, what are the conditions, yeah, and what are their needs, yeah, and then accordingly you will identify, yeah, the rest for this implementation. The second, yeah, you need to apply, yeah, of an approach, yeah, an approach that actually already provided by Isaka. yeah, by the 7-step improvement, yeah, that we will learn after this. Yeah, it is called as the continual improvement life cycle approach. Yeah, we'll have 7 steps for that. Then we need to getting started. Yeah, you need to identify the need to act, right? The need to act means that you will have the motivation, right? You will need the drivers. You will need the background, yeah, to implement the IT governance and management in the organization for sure. Last but not least is to recognize, yeah, the right stakeholders. Yeah, so you know that stakeholders consists of 2 kinds. Yeah, the first one is of course your internal stakeholders, and the second one is the external one, right? So you need to define, yeah, the roles and also what kind of requirements, yeah, that they will need, yeah, to contribute, yeah, in the implementation of IT governance and management, right? Okay, now we go into the first step, yeah, how to create the right appropriate environment. First of all, yeah, the success of IT governance is much more difficult, yeah, within a weak enterprise governance environment. So the keys is to active support and participation, yeah. For sure that actually the most effective ways, yeah, to implement IT governance and management is by the sponsor of the top level management, yeah, because they are the representatives of the organization. Yeah, they have the power, yeah, they have the right influential like force, yeah, that they can spread, yeah, they can distribute into the organization. Yeah, so it will be better compared to the bottom-up approach. Yeah, and then the second is executive management should set and maintain the governance framework. Yeah, so previously it is called as the tone of the top. Yeah, tone of the top. Yeah, the active support and participation from the top level management. Yeah, to drive, yeah, the implementation of the GEIT. Right, and then this means, yeah, that you need to specify the structures. Yeah, you need also to specify the processes, yeah, and also the practices, yeah, that you would like to implement in the organization. For sure, yeah, you need to identify, yeah, is it the right design for you? Yeah, that's why we will learn about the design factors, yeah, how to prioritize what kind of governance and management systems, yeah, that you will choose for the organizations, yeah, and then you will perform the assessment, yeah, to know the right condition for now, the as is condition, yeah, and then you will identify where we will go, yeah, what level that we would like to achieve, yeah, according to the needs of the organization, according to the pressures, yeah, according to the regulation that you will face, yeah, in the organization. So it is like agreed governance design principles, yeah, or the decision-making models, yeah, within the structures, because actually organization structures is the kind of decision-making models, right? Who will be the boss, yeah, who will be the team members, yeah, and the team members sometimes also have the smaller units, yes, subunits, yeah, which they will be the leaders for this unit, this subunit, and so on. Yeah, so you will have like a hierarchy, yeah, hierarchy. Sometimes it is very flat, yeah, sometimes you can have more bureaucratical organizations, yeah, but nowadays actually the trend is to create more or you can say flatter, yeah, so not too many hierarchy, yeah, in the organization, so it will be more fluid, yeah, fluid. It is easy for you to talk each other, yeah, because the hierarchy is not too high. Okay, and then the authority level for sure, yeah, who has the one to authorize something, yeah, and then the information required, yeah, for the informed decision making, because governance and management is actually about decision making, guys. Yeah, so that's the main things that happen within the right governance and management systems, yeah, that you will decide the right decision for your own sake. Yeah, Last, the executive management should also allocate clear roles and responsibilities for directing the GEIT improvement program. Improvement means that you will achieve the higher level of maturity and capability for your organization according to the needs of your enterprise. So that's it. Here it is. This is figure 3.1 in the book. So it depends on the position. If you are the board and executives, that your role in creating the right appropriate environment is to set the directions, to ensure the alignment. You know that alignment is meaning that like you can prioritize according to the design factors. It is prioritization, it is alignment, from the enterprise goals into the alignment goals until you will arrive to the right process goals, for example, or to the right processes, or to the right GMC, governance and management systems, that's called as the alignment. And then you need to approve the key program roles, and also you need to define the responsibilities. It means that you need to design a structure, you need to decide who the one perform what. You need to decide the RT like here in the figure below, 3.2 here. And then you need to approve, and then you give the visible support, and also the commitment, Everybody need to commit, from top level management until the management of the business and also the IT for sure, all of them need to be committed, otherwise it won't work. Okay, the sponsor, and then to communicate, and then to promote the agreed initiative, everyone need to be involved, right? And then if you are the business management, you need to provide the appropriate stakeholders, and you need to choose the champions within the groups to drive the commitment and also to support the program, and then don't forget to nominate the key program roles and also to define and assign the responsibilities. So it is like similar as well with the board and executive roles and responsibilities, although this will be more technical for sure, and because this is about business management, so it is a bit different with this IT management for sure, because this is more related to their business processes, it's a bit different for sure with the IT roles. And what about the IT management? They need to ensure that the business and also the executives previously will understand and also appreciate the high level INT related issues and also the objectives. So that's for the IT management. And then they need to nominate the key program roles, and also they need to define and also they need to assign the responsibilities within their team. So you will see that they will have the head of administration, head of architecture, let's say, head of development, head of operations, and then they will have the security team as well, they will have the quality team, privacy team, something like that. It depends on the size of organization. The bigger the organization, then they will have more persons in the teams, whether is it the boards, they will have many boards for example, you can see from the bank case, if you have the bank as your case, that you will see you will have more directors there, as the board level management. And then the business management, you will have the business leaders there, the head of marketing, the head of human capital, the head of operation, and so on and so forth, depend on the size of your organization. And it's also similar with your IT. Your IT also depend on the size of organization. Sometimes, in a very small organization, sometimes even they don't have the right IT people. Sometimes they only depend on the vendors. Because they don't have the right resources, or they don't need their own resources. Can be. It is very simple organization, until the most complex organization like the banking, yeah, industry. Sometimes they will have hundreds, yeah, they will have 100 staffs there. Okay. And then, yeah, they need to have the internal audit, yeah, to agree the role, to report the arrangement, yeah, for the audit participation. Yes, you remember that you have the 3 lines of defenses, right? You have the first layer, yeah, the risk owner. It can be the business and also the IT. And you have the second layer, yeah, which is the risk management officer there, or the compliance. And then you will have the third layer, which is the internal audit, yeah. Internal audit task and role is to, yeah, review, yeah, to review the adequacy, yeah, the effectiveness of the control of the risk, yeah. So that's it. Okay. They need to ensure the adequate level of participation for sure, yeah, for the duration of the program of the IT governance program, yeah. And then the second layer here also the risk, compliance, and legal, yeah, legal law, something like that, yeah, the compliance to the law. So they need to ensure the adequate level of participation as well, yeah, through the duration of the program implementation. So it's actually all of the layer, yeah, which is the governance layer, and also you have the management level, yeah, which is the business and IT people there, and also you they are acting as the first layer, yeah, the first layer, the risk owner, and then the second layer is the risk, compliance, and legal here, and you will also have the third layer, which is the internal audit, yeah. So that's the whole organization usually, yeah. When you design the organization, yeah, for your big tasks, remember, yeah, you will have the governance, yeah, which is the board of directors there, and you will have the management level, consists of the management, business, and also the IT management, yeah. They will be the first layer, and then you will also need the second layer, yeah, which is the risk, compliance, and legal. And then the last is you need the third layer, which is the internal audit. Yeah, so that's the whole organization when you design, yeah, the right IT governance for your organization. So this is the example of responsibilities. Yeah. Wait a minute. I will try to hide the meeting controls here. Right. Yeah. So I need to press escape to show floating. Okay. Try. All right then. Good. It's sorry about that. I will hide again. Yeah, okay. Yeah. 3.2, the responsibilities of implementation role players. Yeah. So you will see that there's the board, yeah, the IT governance board, the CIO, the business executives, yeah. You will also have the IT managers, process owners, yeah, IT audit, risk and compliance steering committee, yeah. You see here that there are some key activities here, yeah, to set the direction, to provide the program, establish and maintain directions, yeah, establish and maintain program. For each activities, they will have the A here, it is the accountable one, yeah, the highest level of responsibility. And then the one who executes, yeah, the responsibility is the governance board, yeah, usually consists of the representatives, yeah, from the business and IT. The leaders usually there, yeah, in the board, like a committee, yeah, IT steering committee, yeah. And then the highest level of the IT organization, yeah, used to be the CIO, yeah. It is on the director level usually, yeah. You can see this in banking organizations, yeah. They usually perform this kind of approach. And then also you will have the business executives, yeah, and IT managers as the one who need to be consulted, yeah. IT process owners, yeah, it is usually inside IT, yeah. IT guys, then you need to be informed about the directions, and the IT audit you need to be consult, yeah, with them. Risk compliance also for the second layer you need to be consulted, and then program steering committee, yeah, it is need to be consulted as well. And for the provide program management resources, yeah, board is only to be consulted. But actually the highest responsibility lies in the IT governance board here, yeah, management resources. You can see here, yeah, that actually the resources, yeah, for implementing GEIT, yeah, GEIT is lies in this board, yeah, this IT steering committee or the IT governance board here, yeah, and then supported the responsibility by the CIO and also the business executive, yeah. Business executive means the business leaders, yeah, the leaders of the business management, yeah, the business units, yeah. And the partner is for sure the CIO, yeah, CIO is the highest level in IT units. And then establish and maintain for the direction and oversight structure and processes, yeah, still the board, yeah. And then supported by this program steering committee, yeah. So the program steering is like the technical levels, yeah, the more technical levels. So for the board here, usually represented by the directors, some of the directors, yeah, and also usually all the business and also the IT leaders, yeah, the CIO usually there as well, yeah, and also the head of the business unit there, yeah, and then they will have the more technical teams, yeah, although they are still the leaders actually, yeah, which reside in this program steering. And then for establishing and maintaining the program, yeah, actually still lies in the board, yeah, the strategic board here, and responsibility is in the CIO, yeah, and then align approaches, yeah, with enterprise approaches. So it is an alignment for sure, yeah, still on the board, yeah, and also the responsibility is in the CIO, and all of them, yeah, here the R is controlled, yeah, by this program steering committee, yeah. So probably they are the sub leaders, yeah, from under the CIO, yeah, and also under this business executive, yeah, because this is the more technical committee, yeah. So it is uh, uh, like an ad hoc, yeah. Ad hoc is a temporary group, yeah, which consists of the representatives, yeah, from the related units, yeah, or components, yeah. So that's for the environment, yeah. And then we will also need to apply, yeah, this continual improvement cycle, yeah. We have discussed about this previously, yeah, but I will do it again, yeah. So actually we have three interrelated components, yeah, for the life cycle of the GEIT, yeah, GEIT. The first is the core, yeah. So the core is about the continual improvement life cycle. This is on the center, yeah. It is like gray, yeah, or gray or bluish, yeah, grayish and bluish color here. So this is the continual improvement life cycle. This is about to describe how a governance implementation should not be perceived, yeah, as isolated project, yeah. So this is like an integrated project, need to be supported by all, yeah, all the participants within the company or organizations. And then the second layer, yeah, here, the red one, yeah, is the enablement of change, yeah. Enablement of change, addressing the behavioral, yeah, addressing the cultural aspect, yeah, for the implementation and also the improvement, yeah. So this is the change enablement. Remember, enablement means the organization changes, yeah, not IT changes that we previously discussed, yeah. IT changes is the more technical level changes, yeah, but now here is the organization changes, yeah, change enablement here. So it is about behavioral, yeah. Your behavioral will be changed, yeah, according to the program here, and for sure the end result that actually would like to be achieved is the cultural changes, yeah. So you need to design the organization way, yeah, like Telkom way, yeah, or somebody's way, yeah, Toyota way, yeah. This is called as cultural change enablement, yeah. And here the in the outer layer, yeah, the bluish color here is the management of the program. Yeah, so it is more on technical things that you need to perform, yeah, within the cycle of improvement, cycle of implementation, yeah, of the IT governance, right? So here it is, yeah. Actually, we have 7-step improvement, yeah. Then actually this is already existed, yeah, established since COVID-3, yeah, I think, yeah. COVID-3 is the first COVID that I learned. Yeah, previously actually they have COVID-1 and 2, but I introduced to COVID in what year? Yeah, to 2000, I think. Yeah, in year 2000, 2001, 2002, and it is already 20 years ago. Yeah, 20 years ago, there already COVID there. And previously it is COVID-3. Yeah, I think. Yeah, when I first learned about this one, and it's already here. Yeah, so this implementation life cycle, yeah, is already there, yeah, long time ago. Yeah, so this is it. Okay, so yeah, the first is, what are the drivers? Yeah, you need to answer, what are the drivers, what are the motivations? Yeah, is the desire to change. Yeah, why do you need to change? Yeah, why do you need to implement GEIT? Yeah, so you need to identify, yeah, the motivation here. The second, where are we now? Yeah, you need to align, yeah, the objectives of the IT to the business objectives. Yeah, you need to align with the risk of the enterprise. Yeah, you need to prioritize the most important things that you will do, yeah, in the near future. Yeah, that's why you perform this kind of alignment in this, where are we now? Yeah, here, where are we now? So you will perform the assessment. Yeah, what level are you now? Yeah, and then you also need to identify what level that you willing to approach, yeah, or willing to achieve, yeah, in the near future. And then where do you want to be? Yeah, so you need to set the target. Yeah, the target of maturity, target of capability. Yeah, for improvement. Yeah, and then don't forget to perform gap analysis. Yeah, so where are we now? Assess the right level. Yeah, the existing, the as is level of your organization. Yeah, and then the third here is to set up the target. Yeah, what level that you would like to achieve in the future, and then perform gap analysis. Yeah, actually this is a regional, yeah, planning methods actually. Yeah, and you have learned this such kind of methods is long time ago for sure. Yeah, you find it in the project management, you find it in the enterprise architecture and previous courses previously. Yeah, in Telkom University, for example. Right. Yeah, and then the fourth one is what needs to be done. Yeah, after you identify the gaps, yeah, so you will identify the plan to improve. Yeah, defining projects. Yeah, justifiable business cases. Yeah, so you will identify the benefits. Yeah, if you implement the GIT, and you will also identify the cost for sure. Yeah, so you will have like a complete, yeah, complete view of the financial perspective. Yeah, when you implement it, yeah, that when you will implement this GI, yeah, initiatives, strategic initiatives. Yeah, and you need to develop a change plan. Yeah, a change plan for implementation here in the fourth. Yeah, the fifth, how. Yeah, how it is more technical for sure. Yeah, to provide the implementation, provide the solutions. Yeah, day-to-day practices, establishment of measures. Yeah, it means that you need to set up the KPI. Yeah, how to measure the achievement, monitoring system as well. Yeah, to ensure that business alignment is achieved and performance can be measured as well. Right, that's why you need to identify the KPI. Yeah, and the KPI is already there in the COVID. Yeah, you just pick it. Yeah, just choose the right one for your organization. Right, for its GMC. Yeah, governance management system. You have 40, right? Yeah, you have GMO, 40 GMO, 40 GMC. Yeah, and then after the prioritization using design factors, you will have only some of them, right, that need to be prioritized, that need to be implemented in the very first time. Yeah, because you need it, right? And here is the 6, yeah. So you need to measure again, did we get there? Yeah, you need to focus on the sustainable transition, on the improved management practices, yeah, into the normal business operations. Meaning that you have to monitor the achievement, yeah, and also the improvement by measuring the performance metrics and the expected benefits, yeah. So you see here, yeah, previously you set up the KPI, yeah, you set up the metrics that you will use, yeah, to understand the achievement of your organization, of your initiatives, yeah, of the GIIT, yeah. It can be the processes, what kind of processes that need to be to achieve, yeah, the higher level of maturity capability, let's say, yeah, and you implement some kind of practices, best practice, yeah, according to the scope, yeah, and then you measure the achievement there, yeah, and then also you measure the business case, yeah, whether is it achieved or not, yeah. What about the cost, yeah, and then what about the benefits, yeah, did you get it, right? And last but not least is how do we keep the momentum going, yeah. So you review, yeah, the overall success, yeah, of the initiatives, yeah, identifies further governance requirements, yeah. So this is like contemplating, yeah, contemplating, check, yeah, whether you succeed in what initiative and you are failed, yeah, for what initiatives, and then you will identify the lesson learned, yeah. Lesson learned, why did you fail, yeah, and then why did you success, yeah, and then put all of it in the lesson learned, and then put it as the feedbacks, yeah, for your next endeavor, yeah, for your next journey, for your next cycle of implementing the GIIT, yeah. So this kind of cycle, yeah, you will have the strategic level cycle, yeah, let's say for 5 years, yeah, you will have the strategic plan, yeah, and also you will have the evaluation for each years, yeah, the annual, the more technical level, yeah, in annual program of the GIIT, yeah. And actually this kind of cycle also can be applied, yeah, for the smallest or the technical, the more technical level within the project level, yeah. Project level can be also reviewed, yeah, by this kind of approach here, okay. So the third one, getting started, yeah, identify the needs, yeah, identify the needs to act. Right, you can see from the figure 30, yeah, challenges in implementing the GI mechanisms here, yeah. You see this one, you have the business columns and you also have the IT columns here, yeah. And best here means that how many respondents, yeah, that answer the survey, yeah, that performed by Isaka here in 2011. And then here, yeah, we have the challenges, yeah. First, we have the change management challenges. You know that changing organization, it's not a really easy task, yeah, because we dealing with people. People is the hardest to manage, yeah, to be managed. Hardest asset to be managed, right? And then, yeah, it is about people as well. Communications, yeah, because yeah, you sometimes you will have, and actually you will have a frequent problem in communication because each one have different styles of communications, yeah. Sometimes it is not okay, yeah, and yeah, and then you will face some problem, yeah. And actually most of the problem in IT implementations, yeah, it's usually about the communications, yeah, that the user didn't understand about the specs, yeah, the IT didn't understand about the needs of the user, something like that. It is about the communication as well. And then also the lack of senior management commitment and also the support, yeah. So this is like your board, yeah, top level management didn't really understand that GEIT is very important for your organizations, right? And then sometimes you have difficulty to demonstrate the values and benefits, yeah. This is about the business case, yeah, to identify the costs, yeah, to implement the GEIT, yeah, and also the benefits, yeah. You cannot identify what are the benefits, yeah, if you implement this one, this kind of things, yeah. And then also the ineffective current enterprise governance here, yeah. So it's actually the only 14, yeah, 14.1. but it is considered as if you identify this one, means that actually it is important. Yeah, although there is something that more have more important level compared to this one, right? And then high levels of organization complexity, yeah, the operating model, how the structure, how about the the setting of the roles and responsibilities beside behind the structures, yeah. And sometimes the problem is this is actually the highest, the second highest, yeah, after the communication issues, yeah. When you're trying to do much at once, yeah, this actually become the problem, yeah. Too many things to do, yeah. So you will we means that you don't have any focus, yeah. So the energy is spread into some things that can be not important probably, yeah. So you will have so you will lose the focus, yeah. And then you won't get you won't achieve anything then, yeah. So you need to be focused, yeah, because trying to do much at once is very difficult, yeah, because basically people is not really capable to perform multitasking, yeah, compared to machines, yeah. Human is having their own pros and cons for sure, yeah, characteristic. And sometimes the problem is they don't know the problem, yeah, they don't know the challenge, yeah. And some of them also provide none of the above, yeah. So it is like beside all of them here, right? So this called as none of the above. Right, yeah. And then key motivators, yeah, is the incentives, yeah. So means here incentives can be in financial, yeah. It can be in any other form like acknowledgement, yeah. For example, the manager of the month, yeah, or the IT governance implementation of the month, yeah, champion of the month, let's say, yeah. So it is like awarding what is it, yeah, methods, yeah, or awarding to set the motivation higher, yeah. It is called incentive, can be financial as well for sure, yeah. So it is like a reward for them. And still in the third, yeah, that need to identify the need to act, yeah, here. So you will get in touch to the pain points and also the trigger events, yeah. Pain point is something that you your negative experiences, yeah, your negative experiences, previous negative experiences, yeah, within the organization, yeah. And then in the red one, yeah, in the right side here is the pain points, is the trigger events, yeah. Trigger events is like an event, yeah, and a situation, yeah, that happen in the future that actually can be a motivation for you, yeah, to implement the right GEIT for your organization, yeah. We can see for the example here. Yeah, so actually we have the complex, for example, yeah, complex IT operating models. Let's scan it by one by one, yeah. And then you have the multiple and complex IT assurance efforts, yeah. IT assurance meaning like a guarantee, yeah, whether your IT is performed or not, yeah. And then sometimes the problem is insufficient resources, yeah, lack of staff with adequate skills, or sometimes they burn out, yeah. Burnout means they are too fatigue, yeah, because they are doing too much, yeah. They that's why they failed, yeah, because they probably the problem is like the one that we mentioned previously, yeah. That's actually they don't have any focus, yeah. So they lack the energy to do the right things, yeah. And then duplication, yeah, or overlay between initiatives or wasting resources, failing, yeah, late, over budget, yeah. Or sometime it can be incidents, yeah, security incidents, breach of the data, hacking, something like that, yeah, or project failure, yeah. It can be called as incident as well, yeah. and sometimes it is a regular audit finding as well. Yeah, so poor IT performance, yeah, or reported IT quality problems. Yeah, it can be something like that. Uh, Sorry, yeah, there is something that I need to take care here. Okay, yeah, sorry, we have some disruptions in my side here. Okay, so the next one is the one that highlighted here is, or sometimes the problem is about outsourcing. Yeah, outsource to the right person, to the right vendors. Yeah, did not meet the delivery agreed levels. Yeah, sometimes it's about the IT limitations. Yeah, the lack of capabilities to innovate. Yeah, because yeah, it can be because of the burnout. Yeah, or probably because of the lack of motivation. Yeah, they are too fatigued. Yeah, to perform something extraordinary. Yeah, to identify innovation, something like that can be happen in organizations. And sometimes the senior management reluctant. Yeah, to sponsor the IT initiatives. Yeah, lack of committed. Yeah, and also satisfied sponsors. Yeah, probably because they disappointed, yeah, in previous cases. Yeah, probably the IT failed. Yeah, and then for so many times IT failed. Yeah, not according to their needs, or not according to their directions or hope. Yeah, or the target. Yeah, that's why it can be a pain points. Yeah, for them. And then failure, yeah, to meet the regulatory or contractual requirements. Yeah, so it is about legal here. Yeah, so actually this one be very severe. Yeah, sorry, the series is live right now. Okay, so I need to put it up. Failure, yeah, to meet regulatory or contractual requirements here. And last but not least is hidden although IT spending. Yeah, so there can be many cases actually. Yeah, why did you buy something that actually there is not in your program, that is not in your plan? Yeah, but you buy it. So it is like a rogue, yeah, IT spending. Yeah, it is called because it is not a plan previously. Yeah. So that's the pain points. Yeah. And then the right side, you have the trigger event, something that can be a leverage for you. Yeah, something that can be motivated for your organizations. Yeah, that you, it can be opportunities for you. Yeah, to implement the governance and management. For example, when your organization will have a merger, yeah, or you will acquire, yes, like a company, yeah, organizations, or sometimes you need to divest, yeah, divest means like distribute, yeah, or split the part, yeah, it is called devastation, or sometimes shifting in the market, yeah, yeah, the economy, yeah, the competitive position, something like that, yeah. Uh, can be changed in business operating model as well, yeah, or the sourcing arrangement, yeah, what kind of resources that they need in the initiatives, yeah. Sometimes it come from the new regulatory or compliance requirements, yeah, from there is a new presidential decree, for example, yeah, or there is new law, yeah, like PDP, yeah, Personal Data Act, Personal Data Privacy Act, yeah, or law, it is a kind of new regulation that discussed in the what is it? Yeah, the Board of Representative in the country. Yeah, and then if they are okay with that, yeah, and then it will be released. Yeah, will be published, and it will be effective. Yeah, after the publications. Significant technology changes can be, yeah, paradigm shifting can be as well, yeah, or there are new business strategy priority like digital transformations, yeah, digitalizations, yeah, can be many motivation behind it, right? And then sometimes it came from the external audit, yeah, or the consultants, yeah, consultant came from the external, and they give some recommendation, hey guys, you need to do something like this, right? Or can be the new structures, yeah, can be the new leaders, the new CIO, the new CFO, the new CEO, or something like that, yeah. If there are changes in the leadership, that it is called as trigger event, yeah. So you need to like pick the opportunities there, yeah, to make sure that they can be the sponsor for your GEIT implementations. Last but not least is the also we have the focus, yeah, of the new focus, the new project, yeah, of the enterprise. And last but not least, yeah, the desire to significantly improve the value, yeah, to be gained from IT. So it is like desire to change, yeah, desire to perform digital transformation, for example, yeah. So it's depend on the background, yeah. Okay, so yeah, okay, I just omit this one, yeah, neglect this one. Okay, yeah, so recognizing stakeholder roles and also requirements, yeah, for the internal, let's say, yeah. So, yeah, after you identify, yeah, the reason why do you need to change, yeah, and also the pain points in previous events, yeah, and also the future events that can be an opportunities for you, yeah, to strengthen your IT governance initiatives, yeah. And then you also need to recognize, yeah, the roles and responsibilities and also the requirements, yeah, to perform these initiatives, yeah. For example, this internal stakeholders here, board and executive management, yeah. So this is the high level accountabilities. Actually, we have discussed this previously, yeah. Set the overall directions, yeah, the context, the objectives, yeah, for the improvement program. And also they need to ensure the alignment, yeah, with the business strategy, something like that, yeah. And the last column here is discussing about the interest, yeah, in the implementation program outcomes, yeah. For example, yeah, the board and executive management are interested in obtaining the maximum business benefits, yeah, yeah. So this is the interest, yeah. So if we talk about, if we analyze, yeah, the contribution of the stakeholders, yeah, you need to understand exactly, yeah, their interests within the programs, yeah, because that interest is the motivation actually, yeah. Why do you interested in this project, yeah? So you need to find the interesting motives, yeah. So the initiative will be sponsored, yeah. They will approve, they will agree with your initiatives, yeah. They will support, yeah, 100 to 100%, yeah, to your project. So that's the main things why you need to like identify, yeah, the motives, okay. Right, and then the business management, the business process owners, yeah, this is the representative from the business, yeah. For example, this is their accountabilities and responsibilities. They need to provide the applicable business resources, yeah. Business resources, the business processes, for example, yeah, for the implementation team, they need to work with the IT, yeah, to ensure that the outcomes, yeah, the improvement program will be aligned and then appropriate with the business, yeah, and also the value will be delivered, yeah. Why we talk about value here? Because the one that will reveal, yeah, whether this IT initiatives, governance or management initiative will be beneficial is actually the business, yeah. if this GIT successful means that if the initiative really support the business, yeah, to perform their objective, yeah, to achieve their objective, yeah, to perform their business processes, yeah, the risk will be managed as well, yeah, visible support, improvement program, yeah, and then address if they have issues, yeah, something like that, yeah. So what about their interests? Yeah, the stakeholders who like the program to result in better alignment of INT. Yeah, so they have this kind of interests. Yeah, make sure that you can align all of these interests. Yeah, you can identify what kind of interest. So you can align every interest. Yeah, within the company organization. And then for the CIO, yeah, for example, they have the responsibility to provide the leadership, yeah, for the applicable resources of IT, yeah, to the core implementation team, yeah, work with business people, yeah, leaders to set the right objectives, yeah, right directions, and also right approach, yeah, for the programs, yeah. This is the CIO. Previously, we discussed the RT, yeah, chart that CIO is have a very high responsibility, yeah, because most of the R responsibility is there, yeah, in the CIO, yeah, supported by the business executive or the business leaders there. What is the interest of the CIO here? Yeah, they want to ensure that all the EGIT, yeah, or GEIT, yeah, will be attained. Attain means achieve, yeah. For the CIO, the programs will result, yeah, in mechanisms, yeah, will continually improve relationship, yeah, between business and IT, yeah, lead to better management of IT supply and demand, and improve the management of IT related business risks, yeah. The risk need to be controlled, right? Risk, negative risk need to be controlled, yeah. We need to mitigate its kind of identified risk, yeah, so you will perform the right controls, yeah. We have discussed about risk and controls previously, yeah. They need to be matched, yeah. They come in pair actually, yeah, like that. All right, yeah, for the internal stakeholder, we have the IT management, we have the IT process owner as well, yeah. So IT process owner means that all the internal IT team that perform these IT processes, for example, to develop the software, yeah, to implement the infrastructure. It's all of the IT internal processes, yeah. And then they can be the head of operations, yeah, chief architects, yeah, and can be the security guys, yeah, privacy, or the business continuity, yeah. It depends, yeah, but they are on this IT side actually, yeah. So they will have the accountabilities, responsibilities here, yeah, to provide the leadership, yeah, for the applicable work streams, yeah, the program and also the resources, yeah, to implement the IT initiatives, for example, yeah, and so on, yeah. Give the key input, provide input to the relevant good practices, yeah, ensure that the business case and program realistic and achievable. Okay. So they also need some kind of interest here, yeah. They need to ensure all the improvement in initiatives, yeah, better governance, yeah, and in their areas, yeah, because they are the leaders, yeah, within IT. They will have the teams, they will have their own business processes, yeah, IT processes, and the business inputs also required to make sure that they can work properly, yeah. The developer will need the requirement from the business for sure, yeah. The for example, the operations, yeah, we need the inputs, yeah, from the business, how to operate, yeah, how to support the business processes by using the application for sure, yeah, by using the infrastructure, the internet, yeah, the network, the server, something like that, yeah. So everyone will have their own interests, yeah, that need to be aligned, yeah, if you would like to be success in implementing EGIT here, or GEIT, yeah. Sometimes I call it GEIT, yeah, it is actually EGIT is the same one, yeah. Compliance, risk management, and legal expert is the second layer, yeah. They need to participate, yeah, throughout the programs. Why? Because they need to identify the right risk, yeah, which happen for business processes and also IT processes, yeah, and also the situation that the direction that came from the top level management, they need to assess everything, yeah, because risk scope, yeah, risk area actually according to the governance and management level, yeah, they have the strategic level at the top, yeah, the triangle one, and then they also have the development and also operation and also the what is it, implementation, yeah, risk, and also they have the operation and services risk, yeah. So at least basically they will have three kind of risk area, yeah, in the organization. So this is lies in the responsibility of the compliance, risk management, and also the legal expert there, yeah. Their interest is they want to ensure, yeah, so all of the initiatives, yeah, ensure the legal and also ensure the compliance to the contract or to the regulation, for example, yeah, and also they comply with the risk assessment that provided, yeah, by the second layer here, yeah, the first layer, I mean, that they need to validate, yeah, the input from the first layer, and then they will aggregate, yeah, into the enterprise risk management profile, yeah, risk profile for the all enterprise, including IT risk, yeah, or digital risk. And also the internal audit, yeah, last but not least is the third layer. They will participate, yeah, as required throughout the program. Of course, you need to remember, yeah, auditor cannot be involved, yeah, in the operation or the development, yeah. They can recommend something to be better, yeah, but yeah, remember, auditor cannot be involved in the implementation of the recommendation, yeah. That's for sure, one thing for sure, yeah, that you need to remember what is the differences between internal audit and other components in the organization, yeah. They need to be independent, they need to maintain their independency, yeah, they need to maintain their conflict of interest, yeah, so need to be they will avoid, yeah, they will avoid the conflict of interest, yeah, they need to be independent so they can give the right recommendation, yeah, for the business and IT and also for the leaders, right? So this interest, yeah, of this internal audit, yeah, related to the control practices, the right approaches, yeah, and how the mechanism will be established, yeah, improve. So they will like enable current audit findings to be addressed, yeah. So they will recommend something, yeah, and they need to be sure that all the recommendation from the audits, yeah, is really being followed up, yeah, by all the auditors, yeah. So that's it. Right, yeah, and then still in the internal, yeah, we have the implementation team, yeah, they need to direct, design, control, drive, and execute, yeah, the end-to-end programs, yeah, the identification of objective, requirement, and yeah, they also need to identify of new triggers, yeah, new pain points, yeah, objective for further implementations, yeah, of the cycles, yeah. Their interest is the team wants to ensure that all envisioned outcomes, yeah, will be obtained and also maximized, yeah. So there's more on technical level here, yeah, for the implementation team. They are the one who doing it actually, yeah, in reality. And also we will have the users as well, yeah. They also need to support for sure, yeah, EJIT by perform specific roles and responsibilities that are assigned to them, yeah. Sometimes some of them provided the like the IT representatives or IT technical support, something like that, yeah, that lies in this user side there. Their interest is the impact of the initiative, yeah, to their daily activities, yeah. They need IT so much actually, yeah. That's why they need to understand, yeah, and then they need to support, yeah, all the IT initiative that related, yeah, with the one that already being identified previously, yeah. And also the customers for sure, yeah, the customer part of the extended value chain, yeah, and have expectation regarding delivery of services and product, yeah. Remember, yeah, customer is actually is the last point, yeah, after we improve the business processes, yeah, improve the IT processes, and then we will provide the best, yeah, product, yeah, whether is it the goods or services, yeah, to the customers of your company. Yeah, for example, the banking, they will have the what is it, the users, yeah, or in bahasa it is called as nasabah, right? So they will represent as the customer, yeah, and then of course they will need the right or the right level of satisfactions, yeah, the right level. They will have their own interests, yeah, because they will give their money, yeah, if they satisfied, yeah, with the products, yeah. Otherwise they will recommend to others, yeah. It is bad mouthing, yeah. So they will comment negatively, yeah. They like dissatisfied with your services, dissatisfied with your products, yeah. And then they will talk badly about the your product, for example, or your services, yeah. So that's not really a good thing, yeah. Need to be careful with that one, yeah, because it is damaging. They usually trigger the collateral damage, yeah, the uh, the dissatisfied customers, right? All right, and then the external stakeholders, we have the customer society. Previously, we also have the customer here, yeah. Okay, yeah, yeah. Actually, customers already need to be in the external, yeah, here. Customer and society. Organization exists to serve customers. This is the interest of the customers, yeah. And then the service providers, well, yeah, they provide the services, yeah, and then we use the services to deliver our own services, yeah. For example, yeah, the telecom guy, for example, yeah, they provide in the home, yeah, to your business, yeah, and then your business use the IndiHome as the internet connections to perform the business, yeah, to perform the transactions, and your application supported the transaction of your business, yeah, and then after the customer buy about, yeah, your products or the goods or services that you provide, yeah, or and you offered, yeah, and then you will have the money, yeah. The customer will buy your products then, yeah. And also we have the regulators, yeah. Regulators usually came from the government, yeah, to make sure that we have the right competitions, yeah. So sometimes the competition is very severe, yeah, and then they kick each others, yeah. So sometimes it trigger, yeah, not necessary actions, yeah, because they are compete each other, yeah, they are competing each other. And then we also have the shareholders here, yeah, where relevant, yeah. The shareholders is the owner of the company, yeah. If it is like a private company there, yeah, they will have the what is it, uh stake, yeah, the share of the company, yeah. In bahasa it is called saham, yeah. Saham means that you own the company, yeah, according to the percentage of the saham, yeah, or the stake. And then we have also the external auditors, yeah. They will check, yeah, the adequacy of the controls, yeah. And then they will assess whether the implementation is adequate, effective, yeah. They perform the audit, yeah. They also interested in regulatory compliance aspect and also the financial reporting here, right? Last but not least, we have the business partners, yeah. It can be also the suppliers, actually, yeah. So it can be the suppliers, yeah, that provide their own services, goods, yeah, for us to deliver our own, yeah. So it is like a value chain, yeah. Value chain is something like this, yeah, that you will be beneficial for others, yeah, and then the others will also give their benefits to others, yeah. So we will have like a chain of value there, right? So yeah, that's it for now. Okay, it's time for discussion right now. So hopefully my explanation is you can understand, yeah, my explanation. If you have something to discuss, yeah, please, now is the time, the right time, yeah, because after this you will need to implement, yeah, all the theory that we have learned, yeah, by doing the case study. Okay, Anyone? Anything else need to be explained? Is it too fast? Did you understand? Okay, I would like the feedback, yeah. First of all, from Adam, come on.
Sir, sorry, it is regarding the PPT slide. I
Mhm.
want it is not being accessed in LMS, I think, sir. I cannot access it.
Oh,
Can you
really?
send the file?
Okay, great.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you, Adam, for checking this one. Yeah, so I will share the slides, yeah, in the LMS then, yeah, after this one. Okay,
Thank you, sir.
good. Anything else? Right. So if you don't have anything else to share within the class, I think this is it, yeah, for now, because of course you need to reread again, yeah, the materials, and also you need to prepare for the next week, yeah. So please, Faras, make sure, yeah, the choices of all the four groups, yeah, that we have in this class, yeah. What are the choices, yeah, and then I will also provide, yeah. So if you choose the organizations, yeah, so you will decide, yeah, and you need to publish, yeah, your organization, yeah. So other groups won't choose the same organization, yeah, as the same case study there. Faras, yeah, be my guest. What is it?
Uh, okay, sir. I would actually like to ask about the study cases, sir, for the
Mhm.
task.
Yeah.
Where can we find the study cases, sir? Because I
Mhm.
scrolled everywhere through the LMS and I still cannot manage to find the study cases,
Yes.
sir.
Yes. So I will provide the links as well, yeah, beside these materials, yeah. So actually I can show you here, yeah, so you will also can check for that one. Actually already opened the business case, the case studies here, yeah. This is the case studies. I will share to the WhatsApp group, yeah. At least you can check these case studies here, yeah. And I also put the links, yeah, in the LMS for sure. So I will share here is the here. So this is the LMS, yeah. The case studies, I mean, yeah. So this is the link, yeah, the address, and this is the COVID case studies, yeah. And we have many case studies actually, yeah. And make sure that you choose different case studies, yeah, for your own groups, yeah. If you would like me to choose for you, you need to decide right now, yeah. Otherwise you choose yourself, but make sure that you have different cases for each group. So what do you think?
Sir,
Yes.
maybe I'll just create a Google spreadsheet link, sir, maybe later for each group representative to fill on which study case they choose, sir.
Yes, great, yeah. But you need to testify, yeah, with who is the first, yeah,
Sir,
because
I'll
the
just
first
create
will
the
get the first case study for sure, yeah.
okay, sir.
So to make sure that all of the group will have different cases, right? Great, yeah. Anything else? We have the case from European Network, yeah, Ministry of Manpower from Oman, yeah, some of you from Oman, I think, Dubai, Anonymous, yeah, Generally Group. We have also Bank, yeah, Al Rahji here, Saudi Arabian Municipality, it is a public sectors, yeah, Kingdom of Bahrain, yeah, e-government authority, IS Group here. We have also Anonymous, government organization as well, financial institution, conglomerate, yeah, e-commerce, yeah, websites as well. I don't know about this. Yeah, Young Hayden Barber. It's a kind of name, I think. Yeah, mid-size regional accounting firm, right? With 18 shareholders and 140 employees. Yeah. New York State government agency, so it is a public sector one. Tokyo Marine and Nichido. Yeah, this is a Japanese company, I think, right? Anonymous as well, service provider and electricity operator, petrol company here. Yeah, DuPont, you know DuPont, right? One of the product. Yeah, and bank again, had HDFC here, and also bank again. Yeah, from the Middle East. We have many cases from the Middle East, I think here. Yeah, and also you have Yon Heidenberger as well. Yeah, this is the second case. Mexico, yeah, from Isaka, Maitland, it is a kind of company, I think. Yeah, family grocer as well. Yeah, sometimes probably the name is fake, yeah, but the case is real actually, right? So that's it, yeah. So we have many cases actually, yeah. So select it carefully, yeah, and think about the right governance and management objective that you will prioritize according to the design factors, right? Okay. Anything else before we close our session for today? Yesi, do you have something to discuss with?
No, sir.
All right. What about Nadia? Nadia, are you there?
I'm here, sir.
Yeah. So what do you think about? Did your group okay? Do your group okay regarding this case study? What group are you now?
I think
What group are you?
I'm in one group with Ridwan.
Okay. Great. Yes, Ridwan?
Sir, for the big assignment part 1, is it we started do the assignment this week or for the next week?
Yeah,
Because I see the due date is still overdue.
yeah. Actually, here. Let me check again. Yeah. So actually, the timing is not set up precisely yet. Yeah, because this is actually from the last year configurations. So I think what is the better things to do? Yeah. Part 1 here. You also have part 2 here. 9 and 10. Yeah. Part 1 and also part 2 here. Okay, great. Yeah. So I have an idea, yeah, to accelerate our class, yeah. So I will show you the design factors, yeah. I will show you the design factors, and actually I tried to show you previously, yeah. But I can't remember whether actually you this one design toolkit here. Okay, I will share the screen, yeah, here. Okay, you can see my screen right now.
Yes, sir.
Good. So this is the Excels that I don't know whether I have shared it to you. Otherwise, I will need to also upload it.
The
Not
toolkit,
yet, sir.
Yes. What is it?
The toolkit.
Yes, the toolkit, the design factor toolkit. already.
Yeah, I got it
Yeah, you
from
already. Yeah,
first meeting.
yeah.
Uh,
Okay.
But we can find it in above in the link
Yeah, in the link above, right? I remember that
reference.
you have already provided. Yeah, so you can download it. So I will explain a bit. Yeah. So for the next week, we will discuss about the first group task. Yeah. So you need to decide your case this today. Yeah, and then you will have the big task discussion. Yeah, within your group. Yeah, to perform the first part. Yeah. The first part is about wait a minute. The first part is about the 1 till 4. Yeah, 1 till 4. The first and until the fourth. Yeah, design factor here. So you will need to do design factor 1, design factors 2. Yeah, design until design factor 4. Yeah, yeah. How can you do it? Yeah, actually it is a very straightforward, actually, these tools. Yeah, so it is very automatic. Yeah, so you can set the importance, yeah, of the value, growth, or acquisition. This is the description here. Yeah, I need to make it bigger, I think. Yeah, yeah. So this is like the value that you need to decide, yeah, the importance for its strategy archetype. Yeah, this is called as a strategy archetype. Yeah, and this is the descriptions. Yeah, so growth per acquisition means that the organization will have the focus, yeah, on the growth of the revenue. Yeah, and actually, I think I will also share you the English version. Yeah, I will share you the English. I think it's better for you to use the English one. Yeah, because this is international class for sure. Yeah, so this is actually the translated one. Yeah, the translated is for the regular class. I will provide you the English one. Yeah, the actually this is the real one. Yeah, this is the translation mode. Yeah, innovation, differentiation, yeah, and then you need to set up the importance, yeah, according to the case. Yeah, you need to justify why do you put one here. Yeah, do you put did you put the three until five here. Yeah, according to the case. Yeah, that's why you need to put the notes or evidence here. Yeah, why? Okay, so you need to just put your justification here, whether you have the cost leadership, yeah, minimalization, uh, client service stability, yeah, focus to the service provisions, yeah, stable provision, oriented customer orientation, something like that, yeah. And when you provide the level of importance here, yeah, and then it will change, yeah. So for example here, here the the chart will also different, yeah, according to your choices. So you will have this for example here, yeah, so it will change as well. Yeah, yeah, so you will have the design factors differently as well. Here the plot area, yeah, the radar chart, yeah, and then you will see the impact to the alignment process here. Yeah, so you will every number that you put here, yeah, will drive the changes, yeah, for this prioritizations. Yeah, so this like translation machine, yeah, to perform alignment. Yeah, if you curious, yeah, with the thinking, yeah, the rational thinking behind these tools, yeah, actually you need to open, yeah, these excels. uh, Actually you can identify them logically, yeah, but for the right formulation you need to open, yeah, and see the influence, yeah, from this value, from this strategy archetype into the GMO here, yeah, the EDM1 until MEA4 here, yeah, MEA4 here. So you will have this radar chart for all the GMO, yeah. So the higher level, the more prioritized one, yeah. So that's the how it works, yeah, how the toolkit work, yeah. That's for the DF1, yeah. For the DF2 here, you need to set up the importance of enterprise goals, yeah. It is actually this one is actually the automatic version, yeah, of the previous task that you have done, yeah, before the mid exam, yeah. When you perform the alignment, yeah, from the enterprise goal into the alignment goals, and then you will have the GMO, right? So actually this is the more automatic version, yeah, compared to the previous manual that you have performed previously, right? So this is very simple actually, yeah. From all the enterprise goal, yeah, the 13 enterprise goal, you just need to set the importance level here, yeah. But you need to perform, yeah, you need to provide the evidence here, yeah, the justification, the evidence, yeah, from the case, from each cases that from each case, yeah, that you decide, yeah, that you pick, that you choose, right? Yeah. So when you put it differently here, yeah, for example, here 3, 4, 5. I don't know. You can put 6. No. Be careful. Yeah. You only need to set up for the fifth for 1 until 5. Yeah. Although other figure is not forbade as well. Yeah. It's sorry. This. Be careful. Yeah. You put it wrong, yeah, then the chart will be wrong also, yeah. So be careful with that one. Okay, here. So you will have this kind of chart, yeah. You will have the prioritization according to the alignment, yeah, from enterprise goal to alignment goals and then to GMO. But it is performed automatically by the tools. Yeah, it's very easy then. Yeah. Beside the one that you perform, yeah, previously, it is a manual way, right? So this is according to the table that you have learned previously, right? So this is the third one here. So this is about the risk, yeah. I have already told you about the risk, yeah. So we have I think this is 19, yeah, 19 risk scenario category. First, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, yeah, 17, 18, 19, right? Yeah, 19 scenarios, yeah. And then you just need to identify the impact and the likelihood, yeah. What is the meaning by impact? Impact is the effect, yeah. The more severe, yeah, the impact, then you need to put the higher level of impact number here from 1 till 5. So if it is the highest risk impact, yeah, you put it 5 then. Yeah. If it is the lowest, then you put 1. Yeah. And also you have option for the 2 until 4, right? And then likelihood is the like what is it, likelihood, yeah, whether it will happen a lot, yeah, from more frequently, yeah, or it is unlikely to happen. If it is unlikely to happen, then you put it 1 there, yeah. Otherwise, if it is can be very frequently happen, then you put it 5, the highest level there, yeah. So the highest risk is when you put 5 for the impact, yeah, and then you put 5 for the likelihood, yeah, for the opportunity to happen, yeah. The probability, I mean, yeah, the probability to happen, yeah, in the future, yeah. So that's why. So the lowest level risk is when you put the low impact, yeah, the number one, and also you put the likelihood one as well, yeah. It means that it's unlikely to happen, yeah. So 1 and 1 is the lowest level. The highest level is 5 and 5. Yeah, it's like that. Yeah, you can put different numbers, but you need to justify. This is the one that you justify, yeah, in the next session. Okay. So I will set up the submission, yeah, for Friday, yeah, as usual, yeah. 1 day before, yeah, at midnight, yeah. So free day midnight, okay. 23/5/59, okay, before Saturday will come, right? Yeah, so let's do the example here. 2 3 4 5, yeah. 2 2 2 2 2, yeah, or you can put higher level here, yeah, can put 2 3 4 5, yeah, and also you can put 5 5 5 5, yeah, and then you can put 1 2 3 4 5, for example, yeah, here, yeah. So it is like a multiplication, yeah. The higher the impact, the higher the likelihood, then the higher the risk. It is multiplication effect, right? It's actually fun, yeah, to see that the color is changing, yeah, every time that you set up the different number there for the opportunity, for the probability, yeah, for the likelihood, I mean, yeah, and also for the impacts there. Okay. So you need to describe, yeah, describe. This is the description about the risk category, the scenario category here, yeah. And then, yeah, when you change something here, then it also will change, yeah, the graph here, yeah. They will give you different recommendations, yeah. Yeah, this is the radar chart, yeah. You can see some of the GMO are higher, yeah. Some of the GMO are higher compared to the other GMOs as well, right? So this is actually the prioritization as well, yeah. Previously we perform the prioritization according to the strategy for the first one. The second one is from the alignment, yeah, from enterprise goal until GMO, and this is from the risk perspective, yeah, from the risk perspective. And last but not least, for the next week is this INT related issue here, yeah. So actually this is, yeah, this is the pain points. The pain points, yeah, we have how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 11 12 13 14 15, yeah, 16 17 18 19 12 21, yeah. So you have 21 pain points, yeah. The negative event that have already happened in the organizations, yeah. So if risk previously is about the future, yeah, here is actually the related issue is the negative event that already happened, yeah. So this is the one that already happened, but the previous one, the DF3, is about the future, yeah. Now it is about the what is it, the past, yeah, what happened previously, the negative event that already happened, yeah, the risk that already happened in your company company previously. So the way to do it is the same, yeah, importance here, but it is only 1 until 3, yeah, remember, 3 2, yeah, 2 3, yeah. Every time that I change, yeah, this one, it will also change this prioritization chart here, right? So yeah, you will have 4 steps, yeah, 1 2 3 4, and you will have the conclusion here in this step summary here, Yeah. So actually, this is the recapitulation, yeah, from all the design factors 1 until 4. Yeah. This is also automatically performed. Yeah. So this is an Excel formula behind these Excels, yeah, that will run according to the input that you put. Yeah. So your task is simple actually. Yeah. You don't need to configure the formula, yeah, but you only need to identify the right condition for your organizations, yeah, and then you need to justify, yeah, the number there, yeah. That's why you need to check, yeah, the case study and then try to put the justification according to the case study there, yeah. That's why the problem can be if you cannot identify the data there, yeah. It can happen, yeah, if you choose the case study, because case study is very specific, yeah. If you choose from the real organization, yeah, it depends on the condition in the organization. You need to perform interview, yeah, with them, and also to collect the data if you need to do that, right? So do you have any questions? Yeah, this is actually good, yeah, to accelerate, because the later, the more the later, yeah, the later it will be more difficult for you, yeah, to do something. That's why it is better for you to do it now, yeah, and then next week we will discuss the result, yeah, and also I will also explain, yeah, the rest of the design factors for you to be exercise, yeah, for the next week, yeah, for the part 2 big task, right? Yeah, is it clear? Is it clear, guys? If you have some issues, yeah, let me know, and then we can discuss. Otherwise, you can put it in the WhatsApp group, yeah. And as previously reminded, I will also put the slides, yeah, the implementation slides, and I will try to find the original version, yeah, of these tools, yeah, so you can use English, yeah. But if in the real version, yeah, from Isaka is there is no explanations, yeah, about this here. So justification notes or evidence here. Then you need to customize, yeah, the tools, because this is the one. This is very important, yeah. So it is not as easy as just to put a number, but you need to be responsible as well for your answer here, yeah. You need to provide the notes or the evidence why you put number 1, why did you put 5 there, yeah, something like that, yeah. You need to justify each of your answers, yes, yeah. So you cannot do something recklessly, yeah. You cannot do something that actually not right, yeah? Something like that.
I'm not sure I understand.
Oh, Siri is not understand what I'm trying to explain. Okay. Okay, great. Yeah. Anything else? Otherwise, we close our session, right? Okay. So, great. Yeah, Ridwan.
Sir, I still confused for the number 3. How if we not found I mean
This one.
the study case, yeah, the study case not mentioned about that part.
Yeah, that's the risk actually. Yeah, that's why the case study is having their own weaknesses. Yeah, because the case study is already too specific actually, yeah. The sometimes you cannot find the data that you need, yeah, to justify that one. That's actually the problem, yeah. That's why if you can't found, yeah, really can't found the data there, then you need to decide, yeah. You need to guess, yeah, and then you, of course, you need to put the explanation, yeah. If you cannot find it actually in the case study, but we think, yeah, we guess that this is actually the one happened, yeah, in the organization. That's why the one that able to dig the data from the real organization will have better score actually, yeah, because they can do it. They can try to find the right data, yeah, according to the real case, yeah, from the organization. It will be better for them, yeah, compared to the one who use study cases, yeah.
So maybe uh, I can say if there is no mention a lot. I mean there is, so the company or the case is no problem. So I put it low risk or 1 point in there. Is it okay? It's like that.
No, I mean you need to guess rightfully, yeah. I mean from the case you can sense, yeah, what is the condition behind this company, yeah. So it doesn't mean that when you cannot find the data, yeah, you just say that it is low risk and also low impact, yeah. You cannot sure for that, yeah. That's why because the case is not explained about that, yeah. That's why you need to guess, yeah, according to the complete set of the case study. What do you think, yeah? What do you think, what do you guess, yeah? Whether is it the likelihood can be higher or the impact can be lower probably, yeah. And then justify your guess, yeah. That's the worst case that we can do, yeah, because we didn't have the data there. So you need to guess, yeah. That's the weakness of the case study, because the case study is limited to the problem that already there, yeah.
So just maybe we need to explain, make sense in the evidence, yeah.
Yeah,
Or,
the sense or the feel why, yeah, why you pick those numbers, yeah. Okay, anything else? Yeah, you must try. You must try it yourself, yeah, otherwise you cannot find you don't find the difficulties there. Okay, yeah, so if you don't have any questions, so I think this is it for now, yeah, that's it for now. I will close the sessions, and please do remind me, yeah, if there is something that I already mentioned but actually didn't show up yet in the LMS, yeah. I will share the what is it, the slides, yeah, and also I will share. I will try to find the original versions, yeah, the English version, so you can change for yourself, yeah. And then the last is I will set the submission, yeah. I will set the submission to Friday, 23 9 5:59, right? So we will discuss it later, yeah, in next Saturday, I think, yeah. Okay, yeah, so it's time to say goodbye for now, yeah. And please coordinate with your own group, yeah. The sooner the better, yeah. Please, Faras, yeah, make sure that all of the group can set, yeah, their own choices, yeah, whether they will use the real organization or will they use the case study, and make sure that they will use the different case studies, yeah, if they use case study. Okay, great, yeah.
Okay.
So see you guys, yeah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, yeah. See you next
Waalaikumsalam.
week.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you, sir.
Waalaikumsalam.